Ligand libraries continue to expand, and yet finding appropriate drug-like and target-specific molecules for your project goals remains challenging. Introducing Schrödinger's Library Design Online Certification course, where modern computational methods meet chemical intuition. This course can set you on a path to build high-quality ligand libraries, better understand and utilize chemical space, use public and commercial libraries, filter out liabilities early in screening campaigns, and be better equipped for model validation. This course offers an exciting way to learn through hands-on calculations using Schrödinger's industry-leading Maestro interface and command line, already complete with licenses and compute resources. All you need is access to high-speed internet to use the web-based version of our software. This course bridges theory with practical applications. It will have you dive into curated video lessons, tutorials, and an application-driven case study. Upon completion of the course tasks, you will earn a badge and a certificate to share with your network. In the world of drug discovery, the challenge lies not in finding molecules, but in finding the right molecules. Join your colleagues and enroll in our online course today.